Looking to buy tokens with INR in the INRx Pay app or facing issues with deposits? Don't worry. Here is a simple guide. To deposit assets in the INRx Pay app, first, open the app and ensure it is updated to the latest version. Tap on the wallet icon to view listed tokens. Select your token. You'll see three options: buy with INR, deposit USDT, and withdraw USDT. To buy with INR, tap the option, enter the amount. Note that the minimum amount is 1000 INR and view the token value. Click Next. On the payment confirmation screen, tap Pay Now and choose a payment method. You can choose from various payment methods including net banking, wallet, cards, UPI, or pay by reward. Once payment is complete, refresh your wallet to see your tokens. Use Hide Zero Balance to filter tokens. Congratulations! Your tokens are now in your INRx Pay wallet.